Hi, my name's Troy Mangum, and I'm going to be going through the HCI market in 5 minutes or less. Let's go. So the first movers in the HCI market took a hypervisor and put it on bare metal servers, and they put their storage system in a VM. So here's a bare metal server. They put a hypervisor on it, and if you're going to be providing HCI, you're going to need to actually provide some redundancy. So they got another server and they put a hypervisor on it. Now what are they going to need to do is but to share storage. So they share storage, and then if you're going to need redundancy for the storage, you're going to need to buy another server, put a hypervisor on it, and virtualize the VMs. This describes the majority of the HCI market. This is commodity all the way. So where's their intellectual property? It's actually in their installer. How easy is it to install, and how easy is it to upgrade? And then they put additional engineering dollars into making that UI as pretty as possible and functional. So this describes the majority of the HCI market today. Next, we talk about if you owned a hypervisor, i.e. VMware. If you own a hypervisor and you already have good management, what's the next step for you to enter into an HCI market? They spent time to build a storage operating system, and they integrated it into their hypervisor. NetApp has been involved in building storage operating systems, and this is not an overnight item. So what's left for them to do? Build an install script that allows this to be quick to install and upgrade. Let's talk about NetApp HCI's approach. We took a top-tier storage operating system through SolidFire running Element OS, which is running the top clouds in the world, not Amazon or Azure or Google, but some of the other top ones today. We already have consolidated management. We added compute nodes running the top hypervisor that's in the market today, and what's left for us to do? But to build the NetApp deployment engine to allow this to be up and running as quick as possible. So let's talk about the advantages of each approach. First off, if you're going to be on the HCI market, you better be easy to buy, simple to install, and have consolidated management. For those first movers that virtualized the storage operating system, what did they gain? Well, they were able to get to market the first quickly. They have a low entry point because of using legacy technology with spinning disk, and they have platform compatibility, and they can do multiple hypervisors. If you take the hypervisor approach, effectively what you have is the advantage of bringing out new features that are integrated with the hypervisor, and you get the benefit of bare metal performance. Now let's talk about NetApp HCI's approach. We took the independent approach. It allows us to have multiple hypervisors. It provides bare metal performance, but what else does it provide? It allows us to have flexibility and scale unlike our competitors. No data center grows linearly, and no application needs capacity and CPU power from compute at the same rates. So we allow our customers to make a choice. Because we've given our customers that choice, it actually allows them to drive less software licensing costs because you can add capacity on the storage node side without hitting software licensing tied to the CPU compute. We have predictable performance, and it doesn't matter where the data is located. It's based on our software quality of service provided by SolidFire and Element OS. And we provided no tax enterprise SAN features like inline dedupe, inline compression, post-process compression, and thin provisioning, all for free. We believe we have delivered the first enterprise-grade HCI. We are predictable, flexible, and simple. And in NetApp style, you can choose your cloud through NetApp Data Fabric. Thank you so much for listening.